Yeah. Alright. Hey y'all, I'm Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Corpse Bride. It's a Tim Burton movie from 2005. So this is the 20th anniversary of that. And apparently it's supposed to be good. I think it's like kind of stop motion-y, but it's definitely animated. And yeah, so we'll see what it's like. So it says here it's a 19th century Russian folktale. Young man mistakenly weds a corpse bride who takes him to the underworld. And Tim Burton involved and all that. So we'll see. Let's get into it. Tim Burton's Corpse Bride. All right. Oh, this is very much like Coraline. I'm guessing that's Van Dort.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a rather nice day.
A day for a glorious wedding.
We'll be seen having tea with the Queen. We'll forget everything. Come on, dear. Easy go.
It's not me, it's my...
To marry off our daughter to the nouveau riche. They're so common.
So cost.
That's why everything is.
Victor and I don't like each other.
As if that has anything to do with marriage. And I like each other.
I doubt that.
You must. A little.
Of course not.
Those corsets laced properly. I can hear you speak without gasping.
Alright then. I get the vibes.
Any microscopic little thing must go.
I didn't know they would be singing in this movie.
Beautiful, isn't it?
What, you smelling the fish?
No, a bit shabby, really, isn't it? Why, you must be Miss Victoria. Yes, I must say, you don't look a day over 20. No.
Smile, darling, smile.
That man doesn't smile in decades, probably.
Hello. What a pleasure. Welcome to our home.
Mysterious poignant melody. Okay.
Mother won't let me near the piano.
What's that?
It's improper for a young lady.
What?
Too passionate, she says.
Damn.
May I ask, Miss
That sucks.
Victoria?
Yes. Victor?
I was thinking that, yeah, just confirming Victor and Victoria. Okay.
Someone to spend the rest of my life with. Silly, isn't it?
Yes, silly. No, not at all. No. With this candle. Candle.
Ah!
Candle.
Shall I get up there and do it for him?
Don't get all aflutter, dear.
That the Candy Boy. Oh yeah, it's like
A Lord Barkis, sir.
the man just sit down and expect. All right, you know, when you're that rich, when you're entitled and all that, I guess.
Certainly.
Right.
Right. Oh! Right! No, I do not wish to be married. That is, I want very much to. Ow!
Drop it.
Jesus!
Drop the ring.
This boy doesn't want to get married.
Oh,
Out of the way, you ninny.
you fool! Man, learn your vow.
Damn.
Well, he's quite the catch, isn't he?
Yes, very much so. What a catch.
She must think I'm such a fool. This day couldn't get any worse.
Oh, I'm sure it'll get worse.
With this hand, I will cup your...
Whoa, no. Do too much, bro. Do too much. Come on.
I will lift your sorrows. Your cup will never empty. What's that, Mr. Everglot? Call you Dad, if you insist, sir. I ask you to be mine.
Wait, is this how we get married?
I do.
Oh boy. Oh, come on. Bandy.
You may kiss the bride.
I wouldn't want to kiss you.
My name is Paul. I am the equator.
Wedding feast. I'm salivating.
Maggots.
I want some questions. Now.
You want and
Do you mean answers?
yes,
Answers. I need answers.
right.
Get it, boys.
Okay.
Give me a lesson. You corpses of cheer, beastles of you.
You still got me here.
Tell you a story, make a skeleton cry. Own you deliciously lovely corpse bride.
Really okay. You might try and hide, you might try and pray, but we all end up the remains of the day. Okay, I'm thinking Lord Barkis is the person who was supposed to marry her and who killed her.
Okay, Johnson, take it.
Yeah. Hey, 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 hey.
And then, baby, everything went black.
Eyes, she was dead as dust. Jewels were missing and her heart was bust.
Yeah. Alright.
In fact, when he was a boy, he used to wet his combinations regularly, didn't he, William?
That's not something you want to share?
Temptress and Master Van Dort slipped away into the night.
Now the weather. Scattered
Enough!
The town crier probably just had a slow news day. You know how it is. You need something to cry about.
Victor, where have you gone?
I'll keep an eye out for him.
Clever. Second. Oh, come on.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Could have used the stairs, silly.
The boy is athletic. I'll give him that.
It takes my breath away. Well, it would if I had any.
Oh.
My dog Scraps.
Oh, that's nice.
Play dead.
Oh, what a cutie.
You should have seen him with fur. We should go and see them right now.
Oh, what a fantastic idea. Where are they buried?
Oh no, they're alive.
I go up there when people are dying to get down here. I have it. A Ukrainian haunting spell.
Do they both have to drink it? Or just her?
Now then.
Oh! I found out. Okay, my bad. It did say spell, not potion, so. Silly me.
When you want to come back, say hopscotch.
Hopscotch? I'd almost forgotten how beautiful the moonlight is.
What? Oh! I don't think she's thought about like the practicalities of this marriage. It just cannot work.
See that Van Dort boy? I'll strangle him with my bare hands.
Your hands are too fat, and his neck is too thin. You'll have to use a rope.
Oh! Okay. Like I said, the boy is athletic. He's got some good.
I should be with you always, and that our wedding could not come soon enough.
Victor, I feel the same.
Your wife?
Who is she? I'm his wife. Victor?
Victoria, wait, you don't understand. She's dead. Look. Don't you understand? You're the other woman.
Yeah.
Oh, you're married to me.
You still.
The other woman.
No, no, not really. You're the other woman, babe. Sorry.
I thought this was all going so well.
But we're just too different. I mean, you're dead.
You should have thought about that before you asked me to marry you.
Why can't you understand? It was a mistake. I would never marry you.
Well, he's right, cause she's dead, so you would never want to marry her. But kind of harsh, bro. Kind of harsh.
Maybe he should have his head examined. Oh, I could do it.
Well, perhaps he does belong with her.
He does.
With her rosy cheeks and beating heart.
Oh, those girls are 10 a penny. You've got so much more. You've got a wonderful personality.
What does that wispy little brat have that you don't have, though?
How about a pulse?
Overrated by a mile. If we only knew the you that we know.
No.
Though it doesn't beat, it's breaking. Try and tell me it's not real. I still have some tears to shed.
That's so sad. But it still cannot work.
Let's come to bed at once.
Ooh, okay, she made it.
Please, it's Victor. He's married to a corpse. He has a corpse bride.
Name of the movie.
There's some way to undo what's been done.
Where they said it before.
I believe I know the thing to do. Come with me.
Let me go! Let me go!
Thank you, Pastor Gallswells. Will the mortification never cease?
Why the man is still dead and my people the house?
If I had a woman like your daughter on my arm, I would lavish her with riches. I was betrothed some years ago, but tragedy snatched my young bride away.
See, yep, I was right.
Wealth counts for naught.
Barkis. He will make a fine husband.
No, he will not.
Without your marriage to Lord Barkis, we shall be forced penniless into the street to marry Lord Barkis tomorrow.
According to plan.
That sucks majorly. Sneaky, sneaky man.
You have only to suffer this union until death do us part. And that will come sooner than you think.
Victor Van Dort elopes with corpse. Heartbroken bride to wed wealthy newcomer.
It cannot be.
Did he say corpse?
Yes, he did. No, he killed himself. I like that little touch of the sign swinging in the background that shot. Nice, nice.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I lied to you about wanting to see my parents.
They're gonna connect over their mutual love of music.
Pardon my enthusiasm.
I like your enthusiasm.
Committee, coming through, coming through. My name's Plum, Miss Plum.
Well, she's getting married this evening. What? I guess they didn't want to waste the cake.
But how could she?
What?
You can't live with them. You can't live with them.
Pick up the pieces and, and move on.
Victor, where are you going?
Miss Victoria.
Victor, you're married to somebody else, so you can't really give the big talk on that. Oh, Victoria can marry somebody else, but well, you're married,
I now pronounce you man and wife.
So now they're both married to people they don't want to be married to. What a love story.
None of them are very bright. They get something stuck in their heads and you can't do a thing with them.
Vows are binding only until death do you part. Death has already parted you. Well, there is one way.
Kill him too?
Poison.
This would stop his heart forever.
I'll do it.
My boy, if you choose this path, you may never return to the world above.
We're moving this wedding party upstairs.
Upstairs?
Sounds creepy. Let's go!
We will defend the one and only bride. Huzzah! I like the transition to the fade to black. Me gusta.
Quiet down now, everyone.
Quiet down.
Thank you.
Everybody's half asleep, my brother.
There's an eye in me soup.
Fetch your own musket.
I'm off!
Why, my grandfather Everglot could see this if he'd turning in his grave. Where do you keep the spirits?
The dead want me
You've been dead for 15 years.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
What a turnaround.
We're going to take whatever money we can and get out of here.
There is no money.
What money?
Your dowry. It's my right. The poorhouse. Your lie.
Did things not go according to your plan, Lord Barkis? Perhaps in disappointment we are perfectly matched.
Let's keep it down. We're in a church. Evening.
Barkis is gonna get killed. He's gonna, and that's how Victor's gonna be set free to marry Victoria.
I will be.
Go on, my dear.
She won't go through with it.
I love you, Victor. But you're not mine.
Our young lovers together at last.
Yeah.
Surely now they can live happily ever after.
Except you're married to her.
You forget. She's still my wife. I'll not leave here empty-handed.
You.
I left you.
For dead.
Take your hands off her.
I'm sorry.
Whoa! Yeah, she saved him.
Touché, my dear. Oh, I'm leaving.
He's gonna drink the poison.
Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Can a heart still break once it's stopped beating?
Yes, it can. The man drank the poison.
He's all yours.
New arrival.
Yeah. Yay. No. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Very, very pretty. Into the butterflies, that was, oh, nice. They brought it back? Alright, cool, cool. Okay, so that was The Corpse Bride. So I'm gonna try to keep this post discussion short. It was a very fun movie. I had a lot of laughs. I didn't know it was gonna be funny like that, but well done. I should anticipate that, you know, but I don't know why I just didn't. But yeah, good laughs. Funny. It just like some of the shots that did, like the transitions that really I found out the transitions, like some of the things that did this stylistic and everything. Animation is kind of like the Coraline style. I think these movies came Coraline came out around the same time. Well, let me see when Coraline came out. Coraline was 2009 and this was 2005, so Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Who did Coraline? Coraline was Henry Selick. It's the same animation studio. Uh, who did this? Pandemonium Films, Leica, Focus Features, and not sure. Well, it was similar. Anyway, so fun. They said a lot of famous names as the voice actors, John Depp and the Donald Bonham Carter. The Bonham Carter is just like a staple of Tim Burton movies. Tracy Ullman, Christopher Lee, and just a whole bunch of other people in there. Richard E. Grant. Yeah. Some of it was predictable, like you saw. I predicted some of it, but that didn't matter because it was a fun ride, and so that was the whole point. You know, people give this a 3.9 on Letterboxd. I gave it a 3.5. I might change it to a 4. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to a 4. To be honest, yeah, it deserves that. And it says so. In a 19th century European village, a young man about to be married is whisked away to the underworld and wed to a mysterious corpse bride, while his real bride awaits bereft in the land of the living. And yeah, fun little story. I don't think you could have really stretched out more. You might have like maybe you could have stretched like an hour and a half movie, but I don't really think that was necessary here. Just tight, fun. It gave what it needed to give. Voice acting was on par, humor was on par, story, the story, the cinematography and everything just matching. Animation, everything just matches. The vibe, so good. And yeah, I really don't have any problems with this movie. Just a fun little romp. And I'm glad I watched it. Kind of disappointed I waited so long to watch it, but 20th anniversary, I'm doing a Halloween month thing, and this just fit perfectly, and I am so glad I did. And like, it's not like the best movie ever made or anything, but what it wants is just like a fun story. Just like folk, I don't know the original folklore, but it's just like a story about young man who's afraid of being marriage and married, and he finds like this arranged marriage, and he's like, oh, this is fun, and I let this lady. Oh, I don't mind getting married to her, but then he's racking himself over there, like the rehearsal went bad and everything. He's like, oh, accidentally gets married to a corpse, and he finds like the niceness in marriage to the corpse, and but he really wants Victoria, and Victoria really wants him to Victor, but they end up married to other people with this shady Lord Barkis doing his thing, and eventually it all works out. Lord Barkis dies, and so Victoria is no longer married to him, and the marriage to the corpse wasn't fully in effect. So Victor is actually free, and so they end up able to marry each other, and so their love story can continue. It had a little brief blip in the thing, but it might make them stronger for it, So yeah, obviously you don't want that to be the cause of your love story being bunched up a little, but it is what it is. Just the music and everything, the songs, I didn't expect the songs, but they were nice and little fun, little exposition-y, and they weren't like overwhelming and everything. They fit the vibe. They weren't like amazing, like, oh, I'm gonna maybe that the song, except like the Bojangles song, I think like the Skeletons, Bojangles, I think that's the what's that song is subtitles. That song, I really like that song. That song was the best one for me. I really vibe with that one song. The others were like okay, but the Bone Jangle song about like the corpse bride that telling her story, I like that one. Yeah. Okay, but I've been rambling enough. Get what I think. I liked it. Everything just fits. 4 to 5, and yeah, would watch again. Those are my thoughts. Goodbye.